Yo, what is going on YouTube? And welcome back to the channel. And basically guys, you can tell by the title, this video is going to show you how to get Sims 4 packs for free. And not only just packs, you're going to get also the full game, so you can get Sims 4 for free if you don't already have it. But if you know Sims 4 packs, you know they're pretty expensive. You can see here, each DLC / extension pack costs money. I've managed to find basically a simple redeemable code that you can use, and it's just going to give you every single available pack up to today's date. So this is potentially going to give you hundreds of dollars worth of packs, and all it does is use a simple code. So let me show you guys how you can get your Sims 4 packs for free. All you need to do is open up an internet browser on your mobile phone. You can see here I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter if you're on Android. And yeah, you can just open up a browser. And you need to go to this website, guys, so you can read it here at the bottom. You need to go to topdogcodes.com. So topdogcodes.com. This website is pretty sick. I found these a few months ago whilst I was looking for a different promo code. However, there is so many pages on here, and they have saved me probably over $1,000 already. Pretty cool website. So obviously this video we're looking for the Sims 4 page, so if you go to the search bar and you can just type in Sims, and it should pop up Sims 4 plus all DLCs free digital game code. So tap on that page and you can see, guys, as I stated, this is not only all of the DLCs and packs, but it will also give you the game if you do not have it. And this works for PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Mac, whatever you want to play Sims 4 on. So I play on Xbox, so in this scenario I'll be clicking on the Xbox one, but it doesn't matter what platform you play on, the process remains the same throughout. So click on show code, and you can see this basically gives you a synopsis of what you're choosing. This is a free digital copy of Sims 4 plus all DLCs for Xbox consoles. Now you can see, guys, it gives us a basically the first half of the code. We need to unlock the full code, and this is basically because people create robots to steal all of these codes to resell for a profit. So this basically ensures each person can only get one, and each code is unique. So you need to unlock your code. So all you need to do, guys, is tap on this unlock code button and follow the instructions on the next page. It's very important to follow the instructions. You're basically just going to need to complete a couple of free tasks, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So once you've done that, it will unlock your code. So let's get into it. And as discussed, this is basically a code unlocker page. You might have seen something similar like this before. If you haven't, don't panic, it's pretty easy. Basically, you can read here, we need to follow these instructions and complete 2 of these free tasks on this page to unlock my Sims 4 code. Now, these tasks are all completely free, as you can see, and there is a description below each one. So it's important to follow the instructions because you need to fully complete 2 of these. They're all completely free and they're really quick and easy. So as an example, you can see this top one says enter your email and complete the steps. So if you want to do that one, all you do is click on it and it will take you to the next page where you just need to answer some questions. And basically, guys, you need to, in this one, enter in my email address. So if you do one of these, it's important you have to put in your valid information because it does verify you as a real person, obviously, and not a robot. So let me go ahead and complete 2 of these. You can see here there's Family Island. This one says download and complete level 8. So this is like a free game where I need to download it and then play it to level 8. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to the App Store where I'll need to download this game and play it. So let me pause the video whilst I do these 2 tasks, and then I'll return. And yeah, once I've fully completed them, it should take me around 5 minutes, and we'll see if it gives me my Sims 4 packs code. Okay guys, so I've returned. That did take me around, I think it took me around 8 minutes, which is, I know it's annoying having to do this, but yeah, I mean, it is saving us a bunch of money. So essentially all I did was I finished off that one at the top, and then I downloaded this Family Island, and then I just basically played the game until I got to level 8. And once you've done 2 tasks, you're going to get slightly different ones if you're in a different country. I'm getting like UK based ones, but if you're in the US, you're going to get different ones. But all you have to do is complete 2 of them. And if you've done everything correctly and fully completed 2 tasks, you should see this tab pop up. Now, if you open up your tabs and you don't see this, you have to make sure you do 2 complete, 2 fully. So now I'm going to click on this tab, and you can see, guys, it has released my digital game code. So if I don't have Sims 4, this will give me the full game plus all of the DLCs. If you already have Sims 4, you can apply this code, and it's just going to add the DLCs to your existing game. And that is it. So these codes, guys, can only be used once. These are unique and personal codes. So you need to get your own code, guys, and go to topdogcodes.com. And yeah, once you get your code, you can apply it to the platform of choice. So you can see you have to select the platform, and when you apply it, it's going to start downloading all of the DLCs and or the game. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button. You can leave a comment if you need any help or assistance in getting your code, but it's pretty easy and it's by far the best method. So yeah, enjoy your free Sims 4 packs, and I'll see you next time.